Girl, you really need to lose weight. Why are you making videos? You work out. Wear that, man. That's not looking nice on you. We don't want to see
Please
it
come
on
online
videos.
only with makeup on.
Do you think that's making you look hot? Because it's not. I think you should go on camera.
I think they're right. I really need to do something about myself.
And this is what I've thought for the longest time. I need to lose weight. And it's just not me, we all get these comments, be it online or offline, कि कितनी पतली हो गई है, थोड़ा वेट गेन कर ले सब सही हो जाएगा, या फिर वेट लूज कर ले सब सही हो जाएगा, पेट अंदर हो जाएगा ना सब परफेक्ट है, या फिर वो जो लड़की जो इंस्टाग्राम में चीज़ें डालती रहती है उसी की तरह बन ले. It's not really our fault. While growing up or even in the world of social media, it's so easy to compare. Comparison is literally on the tip of our tongues. So you sitting right there watching this video, if you're feeling underconfident about yourself, feeling low about how you are, the way you look and whatever it may be, this video is literally for you. And it's time to reach the stars in whatever field you are in. My name is Cherry, welcome back to my channel, and I hope my thoughts on this would help you become a better person. You can like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's start. Now, as a kid and even in college, I haven't really faced like body image issues because I've always been towards the leaner side, but in a slightly curvy way. Those thighs and abs and everything which people want these days, I've always been like really curvy. And in school and in college, I think people did not really think that our bodies are way more important than who we are. So that's why इतना मुझे उस सराउंडिंग में पता नहीं चला कि कुछ है, एंड ना मुझे ऐसा लगता था. ऑब्वियसली आई वाज स्लाइटली कॉन्शियस बिकॉज मेरे जो सारे दोस्त थे ना उनके सारे ऐसे स्लिम थाइज और लेग्स थे, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. एंड हाउ यू सी इट इन मैगजीन्स एंड स्टफ सो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि यार कर्वी बॉडी मुझे नहीं चाहिए. एंड मुझे समझ भी नहीं आता था उस टाइम कि ऐसी भी चीज़ हो सकती है. आई वॉज लाइक मुझे लीन ही होना है. So it wasn't a big thing, to be honest. It was just there within my heart, like a tiny little thing. All this was completely fine until I came to Delhi. I had like weird encounters, and one personality trait that I carry is that I'm a very observant person. I always observe people and then talk, and I have noticed that how people were insecure about their bodies, about how they look and how they should always be presentable. And we live in India. They were not just insecure about their bodies, they were insecure about others' bodies as well. Yeah, like it's very important who you surround yourself with. मेरे साथ होता था कि I have heard really weird things, and it has made me feel bad about myself, like about my dark circles, which were never a problem for me for the longest time. They were like कि इसका मेकअप ऐसा होना चाहिए कि डार्क सर्कल्स ना दिखे, हमें एक बहुत अच्छा मेकअप आर्टिस्ट लाना पड़ेगा कि इसके डार्क सर्कल्स छुप जाए, या फिर आप ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहन सकते बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव लाइक स्लिम लेग्स, and you can't wear shorts. You're like this cute chubby person, you should be like that. You can't be hot, you can't wear this, and different things like this. And चलते फिरते कोई भी कुछ भी बोल के चला जाता था. तो मतलब इतना क्रिटिसिज्म मतलब मैं आपको एक जिस्ट में बता रही हूँ, बट इमेजिन as a person I used to hear it every single day, and it was taxing because it's just not this. I used to hear a million other things, and I'm not saying that they did it intentionally and it was in their mind कि यही बोलना है, but things like that shows how a person feels about themselves and about others. Because honestly, as a person, I wouldn't say these things to anybody. Guy I was with also had like different expectations out of me. He used to think like, oh, if you dress up this way you'll look hot, or like if you tone your thighs you'll look this way. And it's not that कि उन लोगों ने मेरे दिमाग में ऐसी चीज़ें डाल दी. It's just that when they keep saying it, you keep thinking. And it's just not my offline world. Even online, when I used to make videos, I mean, I still make videos, but I used to get these comments like, oh, uske dark circles dekh, uska ye dekh, uske wo dekh. So matlab, it's very easy to comment. You put your viewpoint out there. I honestly don't have a problem. But then if you criticize something again and again without even thinking about the consequences, it's just taxing. You never know what the other person is going through. And all these things added up and made me a different person altogether in the middle. Like, I was so conscious about going out without makeup. I always used to put a concealer and used to be like यार मेरे को concealer लगाना है नहीं तो मैं अच्छी नहीं दिखूंगी. और जब भी मैं makeup नहीं लगाती थी I used to feel very underconfident. I used to only feel confident when I used to put makeup. Yes, makeup like uplifts everything, it makes you more confident, but ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप बिना makeup के underconfident हो. या फिर I started dressing up in a certain way because I used to be like love is blind, or like when you like a guy or like yaar aise dress up hoti ho, he like it or whatever. I started dressing, my wardrobe like literally changed. I started dressing up in a very different way, and how my legs were or anything, I became really really underconfident. Like I did not notice that curvy can also be a thing and I should appreciate everything. I was just like yaar मेरे को भागना, I need to lose weight, I need to do that, I need to do this. मतलब मेरे दिमाग में कभी ये था ही नहीं कि मेरे पास कुछ है जो लोगों को एक्चुअली पे चाहिए होता है. पीपल एक्चुअली क्रेव फॉर दिस बॉडी टाइप, एंड व्हेन आई हैव इट आई डोंट अप्रिशिएट इट. इट वाज जस्ट लाइक दैट. फॉर मी आई गॉट अ चांस टू just get disconnected from these people around me, and when I got disconnected I had the time to think, and that's when I realized that their opinions don't matter. Like even if it's a comment, I do appreciate that positive criticism or like a feedback, but then if they are just like commenting just for the sake of it, क्या ये ऐसी है या वो ऐसी है, it just stopped bothering me. The people around me were not there anymore, and I just realized that उनके बोलने से मैं change नहीं हो सकती. The only difference that I've made is that I've started loving myself. I honestly don't care about what people think about me. If I want to post something, I do it. If I'm walking around in the market without makeup, I honestly don't care, because that's who I am and that's what I want to do, and like their opinions don't matter. अगर मैं size 0 भी बन जाऊँगी ना, उनको तब भी प्रॉब्लम होगा. So I've realized that it doesn't matter. आप जो हो, आप कुछ भी हो, you should love yourself, because लोगों को हर चीज़ में प्रॉब्लम होती है. Try and understand that. Now that I'm working out, and I'm not saying that I want to be a lean body. I've accepted my curves and I honestly appreciate my curves, because I've realized that people actually want this body type, and when I have it I should like just be with it. Now I am not saying that I'm unhealthy कि मैं चिप्स खा रही हूँ बैठ के और मैं सोचूँ कि नहीं अब मेरे पास सब कुछ है, ऐसा नहीं है. I am working out, I am working on my body, I'm working on living a healthy lifestyle, but at the same time I'm not conscious about how I am and how I look. I'm like this is who I am, and this is what defines me. So it's just a simple change that you need to love yourself, and trust me, the glow you will see on your face every morning and the night when you sleep, you'll be like, look at that girl. I always say it whenever I see myself in the mirror ki, oh my god, look at that glow. And this actually happens. Like it's a process, it takes time, but self-love is literally the key to happiness. And it's not about you posting stories on Instagram about self-love and then criticizing some other women on your chat or on your friends group कि ये लड़की को देख. ऐसे सेल्फ लव नहीं होता है. लाइक you need to appreciate people, you need to appreciate who you are, and just put a shield on कि यार मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता लोग क्या कह रहे हैं. सेल्फ लव स्टोरीज से नहीं आता इंस्टाग्राम में, वो एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिस करने से आता है, एंड इट डज टेक टाइम बट इट विल हैपन इवेंचुअली, ट्रस्ट मी. एंड when you start thinking about this more and more, there will be a day when you wake up and you will be like I don't want to think about all of these, and I don't want to compare. And this is what happened with me as well. And I just realized that उनके बोलने से मैं change नहीं हो सकती ना. मतलब मैं जो हूँ, I should learn to accept it. And then once I started accepting myself, it did take time. It was not like a one day thing. It's like it did take me some time to process everything. And when I started loving myself, I realized that these are like just tiny little things which we make like really big in our heads, and we start getting conscious and we start becoming like अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट. बट लोगों के लिए शायद इतनी बड़ी बात है भी नहीं, एंड लोग शायद ये सब देखते भी नहीं है हमारे पे कि ये ऐसी है या वैसी है. हम उसे बड़ा बनाते हैं. अब हम खुद सोचते हैं कि ऐसी चीज़ है. नाउ दिस इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम अ पर्सन हू हैज़ फेस्ड इट, बट if you think about these 5 fingers, I might be in the middle. Like I'm not lean, I'm not very very curvy, but I've seen a lot of curvy women getting these comments, and it's really really harsh. Like I have seen my friends getting these comments and they just end the conversation with a smile or a laugh, but it really hurts. Like the kind of comments कि तू कितनी मोटी हो गई है, या फिर तू ये कपड़े मत पहन, तू बैठेगी तो चेहरा टूट जाएगा. मतलब ऐसी चीज़ें कितना बुरा लग सकता है किसी को and I've seen it happening. I just realized that people just say things like literally unconsciously, and they just like don't realize what they are saying. I mean, it's so weird, and it's so shameful that people just don't realize, and they don't want to accept different body types. And now if you are the person who just comments randomly to your friends, to your cousins or anything, you should just take a step back and realize what you're saying and what consequences are you putting on the other person. And if you are the one facing it, trust me, it doesn't matter. When you start loving your body, when you start accepting your curves, and then when you work out, you will feel a difference. And losing weight shouldn't be a goal all the time. Your goal should be being healthy, and when you be healthy, losing weight is like just a part of it. And like, you know, you don't have to get bothered about such tiny little things. There are bigger issues in life, and you know, just because she has got pretty eyes doesn't mean that you don't have pretty eyes. Or like, you know, if he or she is a size smaller than you doesn't mean that you are not good enough. Like, you know, we all are different, and this is what I wanted to tell you guys. And stop being so hard on yourself. Stop thinking about these things so much. Yes, work on it, but do not just blame yourself that you are not good enough, because it won't help you. It will carry that negative effect, and it will carry that negativity in your body, that even if you're trying to do something positive, it won't be. You have to be positive in order to do positive things, and that's what life is all about. And trust me, you're beautiful. If you've got facial hair, or like if your tummy rolls when you sit, it's completely okay, because we all have it. Some people don't show it, and they just show the perfect side of them, but we all have it. Trust me, I have it too. And this is what changed me. This is how it helped me become better, because I'm coming from a space where so many things happened that, you know, right now I'm in this sane point where I'm like, you know, ye sab matter nahi karta. And this is what I don't want you to go through. If you are going through something like this, just switch off and, you know, just think about positive things. Just think about what you want to do in life, and don't get bothered about these things. Like, you know, log to kahenge jo unko kehna hai. And this is what I wanted to tell you. I hope this video helped you, and if you have anything to say, you can drop me a comment below, and you can like this video, subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. If you have something personal to say, you can DM me, and you know, I'll be happy to talk about it. And I'll see you soon in the next video, and yeah, bye.